Gonna do a little steering system inspection here. Steering stuff is one thing that keeps me awake at night when we're offshore. Move things around, see how things look. A little bit more complex of a system because of the dual helms. Only 10 days ago, we were in San Juan. Because of the evolving situation with the coronavirus, we've been in a big hurry to get home. We managed to clear into the U.S. in West Palm Beach, Florida, but a good weather window has come up and we're leaving for Charleston, South Carolina and beyond.
All right, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Good job. Thank you. See you next time. Argon. Argon is gone. Argon is gone. Okay.
The harbor is eerily quiet, except for we see a sheriff boat, a police boat, and one barge moving.
Those two guys up to the north of us are sailing.
Let's tide over.
All right. No sailing. We expected this to be a bit of a light air passage, but it is totally dead out there. We've been motoring for about 8 hours now. It should fill in. We're okay. We're going fast anyway in the Gulf Stream, so we got that going for us. Just wish we could be sailing. Let's see how we do. A fairly easy, uneventful night. We were finally able to start sailing about I don't know, 8 or 9 o'clock last night. I did a watch till about 1 a.m. and Linda came on at about 1 until 6 a.m. and now I'm back on watch and Linda is snoozing. Should be arriving nice and early tomorrow, a good time. The marina should be open when we get there, and we're just sailing with a reacher only right now, just still with the Gulf Stream behind us. We're doing over 8 knots. It's going well. It's a really nice, easy sail. We've diverged from the Gulf Stream now. We're really not in the stream. Maybe a little bit of favorable current, but we're not in the stream anymore. So we're settling down to low 7s. Just about the time we got out of the stream, though, the winds picked up. So between 16 and 20 most of the time. So we're going to be there plenty early. Just try not to be too early.
Thought we were going to be way ahead of schedule, so we slowed down, and now we're behind schedule. So not one of our more successful night sails. I think we're maybe about 20 miles from the entrance to Charleston Harbor, so we're looking forward to getting there. And no more Caribbean sailing. It's been cold.
We got to City Marina in Charleston around noon and were able to fuel up. Upon arrival, we are encouraged to do all marina business over the phone and avoid visiting the office. Along the docks were a few other boats like us trying to formulate a plan to get home.
Well, we're happy to have made it to Charleston, South Carolina. We're eager to make it further north into home. We're at latitude about 32 now, and it's getting cold. Really happy that we have the cockpit panels on board here, so we're able to enclose a cockpit that'll really help, especially at night. It's dark, it's cold, but we've got a lot of cold weather gear and are bundled up and ready to go. Leaving Charleston, South Carolina, en route on about a 36-hour passage to Beaufort, North Carolina.
Well, there's no wind.
There's also no seats.
There's also no seas.
Good.
It's supposed to fill in overnight tonight. We're making our speed and we're on track. for our first waypoint here. So from that standpoint, it's all going well. We're a motor yacht today. Yes, and the main sail's still up, hanging like a curtain right now. If I didn't think the wind was going to fill in fairly soon, I would just drop it. But
And the cockpit's kind of warm.
oh, it's like a sauna in here.
The last couple hours we've had our hands full. I think it's about maybe 2 a.m. now, but we've got some moonlight. Just hoping we can keep a good angle and the seas stay calm. Whew, rough night. We've been reefing, unreefing, furling, unfurling the jib, part of the jib. Initially things were pretty much as forecasted, but then winds really picked up and it's been 25 knots and up. So we only have a double reef main up, and as soon as it's daylight, I think we're just going to take that down. Luckily the seas aren't too bad. They've picked up, but boy, these winds, it's been pretty much 25 to 28 knots for the last few hours.
Up to 27 knot winds way in front of the beam since 1 a.m. It's not fun. Just dropped the sails and we're just motoring straight into it now. And we're late. Going out for a spacewalk.
Conditions have calmed down substantially. Seas are a lot more calm. Winds are way down. This was not a straightforward 210 nautical mile passage. It was short, but it was pretty intense in the middle. Glad to almost be in Beaufort. And we'll fuel up since we motored quite a bit, and we will clean off the boat, tie to the dock, and look at weather for our next weather window. I think we need to rest too, though.
We are approaching Beaufort. We're in the inlet channel. After last night, I'm very relieved to be here. That was a rough one. No other traffic coming in or out right now.
Well, we found a marina that will accept us, but we'll be confined to the boat and the docks due to their COVID-related restrictions. Be good to get some rest and then figure out when we're to make the next hop northward.